Hello everyone, I am Belinda and you're welcome to Belinder TV. Today I'm going to be making this hairstyle. So let's get started.
I'm going to be making use of yarn for this hairstyle, and I started at the front. So I'm going to use my hair as the third leg of the braid, and then this yarn I'm going to use it as two legs of the braid. So I just wrap the yarn around my real hair once and then start braiding, keeping in mind that my real hair is one leg of the braid and then the yarn is the other two. So I'm just wrapping my real hair around these two yarn one after the other. When I wrap it around this one, I pass it through the middle, wrap it around the other one, pass it through the middle. That's how I'm just wrapping. The two yarn didn't leave their position, they are still where they are. It's just my real hair that is just wrapping, going round around them until I run out of hair. Then I start twisting just the two strands that is left of the yarn. And when I twist about 10 or 11 twists, I secure the ends. And so this remaining ends is what I'm going to make the coil with. I'm going to show you how to do that in a bit. I'm going to make the coil with that one and then I'll dip it in hot water. So when I twist down like this, I just secure the ends like this so it doesn't unravel. So now I'm just going to detangle this yarn so the coil will come out very smooth, and then I tie it up as if I want to use do the thread. This is the thread coils I'm making here right now. So I'm just going to wrap this thread around this yarn and I'm going to push the hair up, and the thread I'm going to pull it downwards. Then I'll secure the ends like this, cut off the excess yarn, and I'll do the same for the rest of my hair, which is this. So now I'm going to dip it in hot water, a very hot water. Please be careful when you get to this part because the water needs to be very hot. And this is the final result. For a defined coil like this, guys, the water needs to be very hot.
I dip the ends in hot water and I let it air dry. If it doesn't dry properly and you take it down, it will not be defined like this. So you need to let it air dry totally, properly dry, and it doesn't take that long to dry. So, and you get defined coils as this one. So this is 3-in-1 hairstyle. I have zip here, twist, and then this coil at the end. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm still Belinda and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and bye bye.